I got a new key fob for the XB. Let's take a look at it. So many of us have had our XBs for quite some time, and you know our key fobs are getting aged, a little worn down. I've been doing research. I wanted to find one that had the Toyota emblem on it. I found some that had the Toyota emblem, like the early 4Runners, I think, or the RAV4, and like the 2005 Tundras had it. And when I was looking on the Tundra, I noticed that its design was very similar to ours. So I got to looking online and found this company, and they actually make a robust replacement case, which looks like this. So today, we're going to swap out this for this. Let's take a look, see what's in the bag. So they got plenty of different colors to choose from. It comes with the panic button on the back and their design already printed on. And this is the front case of it. We got a sticker, some instructions, and screws and an Allen wrench. So let's see what we got. First, we got to take ours apart. You simply take it off your key ring, and it's got a little notch here in the end of it. Take your panel tool and pop it open. So as you can see, they're very much alike already. Push out the board with the buttons, because you got to reuse your buttons. And since it's apart, we might as well clean it up a little bit. Look at that. Perfect fit. So we'll just put it back together, just like we took it apart. Make sure you don't pinch the rubber down inside there when you go to put it back in. Take the back panel, place it in like so. Alright, let's put the screws in. Then you can order, like I said, the front's got different colors you can order from, and then he's also got a few different color options as far as these screws go. But this is on their site, and it's only listed for the 2000 to 2005 Tundra. I think it is an awesome replacement to the factory key fob housing. Alright, we'll put it back on. And there you go. We've updated the key fob holder for our XB. Let's go try it out. Alright, here we go. Works perfect, man.